Guilt-free sipping starts here. Hello. Can I get a large water? I'm gonna try a new combination today. So, do you have a sugar-free or the zero sugar strawberry?
I do.
Let me try that.
Awesome.
And then I figured I would put the watermelon. I don't know if they have the sugar-free watermelon.
Do not,
Okay, so that's fine.
Yeah, of course.
So I'll do the watermelon and the strawberry. And then, do you have any popping boba?
We have strawberry and blue ras, but those are not sugar-free.
That's not a lot of calories, is it?
I don't think so.
Okay, let me do the strawberry.
Strawberry?
And then can you do a splash of coconut milk?
Yeah, of course.
And then can I get a pup cup? I think that's a
Cup?
cup. Yeah.
Got you. Anything else?
That's gonna be it.
Yeah, of course. I got the large water with sugar-free strawberry, watermelon, coconut milk, and strawberry boba.
Yes.
And then the pup cup.
Yes.
Awesome. Did you have the app with us?
No.
No app? You're all good. It's gonna be $3.74. Have you top right here for me? Okay, it's totally optional if you want to see the tip today. And you should be all set. You're just following behind this black Ford on your left side right here.
Thank you.
Let's have a great day.
You too.
This one was first.
Okay, let's get your puppy cup. Come on.
Hi there.
Hello.
Do you want the pup cup?
Yes, thank you. Yeah, that's your puppy cup.
Let me give you a different straw.
Oh, okay.
Boba.
Oh, sorry. That was me. Thank you.
Drive safe.
You too. Hold on, I know you want your pup cup. Okay. Hold on. All right, here's your... Look, they give you your little bone. They gave your little bone. You want the bone? No, you want the cream. There you go. Is that good? Is that good, Nuchin? He's a good girl. Look at that. He's a good girl. Okay, so we got popping boba on top. Let me show you guys. You see that? Look at that. They mixed this one already with the coconut milk. You can tell because it looks creamy. Just remix it. Let's try it. That is so good. Wow. Now, they put very little boba in this one in comparison to the other location I've been going to. But 1 to a 10, 10 being the best, a solid 9, honestly. It tastes like a creamy strawberry creamsicle. Like, it tastes really, really good. Really good. Like, highly recommended. So I just did the calorie conversion, and it is anywhere from 40 to 50 calories for this entire drink. So yeah, we're getting skinny together. So sip it, love it, share it.